Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday! Today we're going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series, and oh my gosh, we have so many awesome items, but I've saved some to kind of like surprise me. So anyways, before we get started, if you're new, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, so Wednesdays, Fridays, and mail hauls every single Monday. And also make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But I'm very excited to jump into these goodies, so let's get started. Okay, now the first thing I want to say is I'm having a terrible breakout, so obviously y'all can see that. I do want to swatch some of the new Too Faced, the double like blushes from the Tutti Frutti collection. Well, I have 3 of these, but I'm honestly so freaking excited about these. And it's just been crazy lately, and I've not been able to film a review video on the entire collection. So we'll try to do that. If you guys follow me on my social media, you will know that I have been talking a lot about the hurricane that is coming to North Carolina. And by the time this video goes live, it will already have come through, I believe. But me and Snow were set to go out of town to Orlando this past Saturday, and we had to move our trip up. So we flew out a couple days early, and it has just been absolutely crazy trying to get everything ready, the videos ready for you guys too, and then also, you know, we're worried about our friends and family and everything. So I will definitely be doing a review on this collection. It's just not yet. But with that being said, I do want to go ahead and swatch these. So the first one is Pineapple Sun. I did go ahead and pack one of them to take on my trip because I love it. It is the apricot one, apricot, however you want to say it. Ooh, these look really nice. So those two are swatched. These are very, very pretty, very finely milled. Oh, there is another one that I left out. Okay, next one is Cherry Bomb. And this one would be suited more for dark skin tones. Again, absolutely breathtaking. So pretty. So there is what that looks like right there, Cherry Bomb. Even though it looks like it would be super dark, I think it's pretty wearable, honestly. Okay, next one is a beautiful pink one. This is called Strawberry. Oh my gosh, the softness of these. I accidentally swatched the highlight twice. There are those two. I probably could have did a little bit more with the purple one. Let me go ahead and go back in with another swatch. There we go, it's better. It's just like a really pretty light purple. These are so gorgeous. This honestly is probably one of my favorite collections Too Faced has ever came out with. This is Pomegranate, and I love the names. They're so freaking cute. Hopefully, if I have enough time when I get home tomorrow, I can film a review on this collection. We are supposed to leave on Friday morning, and I'm filming this on a Wednesday. So there are those right there, but I just want to give these a quick shout out because I think they're absolutely adorable. And like I said, I had already been using one, and I absolutely loved it. I didn't have that one to show, but Too Faced just sent over the most generous package of so many different products, and so I definitely will get that video up for you guys. Like I said, it's just been really crazy and hectic. So thank you so much to Too Faced for that package. Oh, and they sent over a really cute little bag, which is available at Ulta. I'll leave it linked down below if it's still available to purchase. And there's probably going to be a lot of swatching in this video. Okay, next package actually came from Nars, and they sent this over just a little while ago. And this has a bunch of their new single eyeshadows. So here's what the little card looks like. And they came out with 60 different shades, which is so many. And they did send me over a very generous amount. So let's watch them. First one we have is Kauai. This is probably a bad idea because I can never pronounce the names. Okay. Probably going to butcher these, but I'm going to try my best. Okay, so here is the first little set. So it has a green and a purple. Right off the bat, these feel so creamy. Oh my gosh. Like nothing I have touched before eyeshadow wise. Now they did send me some colors that are a little bit crazier. Like these are not ones that I would wear on a daily basis. But looking at the different ones that they have, I definitely think I'll probably be picking up some more of these duos because some of them look super pretty. Like Callalumber. Oh, I think this is what I have. No. Maybe? Let's see here. Ooh, that is what I have. Okay, let's swatch that one next. Now the first shade's not really picking up that good. So here are those two. And there those are swatched. And then they sent over some singles. So the first one is called Kashmir. Kashmir is how it's spelled. It is a beautiful gray shade. And it's like a silver gray. We have Tropic, which is this beautiful blue. I wonder how this is going to swatch because it looks like it has chunks of glitter in it. Oh my gosh, beautiful. That is Tropic, but those glitter flakes are really weird. Okay, I don't really like that one. Then we have Showgirl, beautiful bright blue. This would be really pretty under the lower lash line. There is Showgirl. I cannot believe how stunning these colors are. Okay, next we have Gladacopicus. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It is spelled Galapagos. So I'm sure I'm probably going to get all kinds of comments in the video saying like, oh, this is how you pronounce that one. You said it wrong. I'm terrible at pronunciation, so I'm sorry, guys. There is that one. Gosh, these are just so pretty. Like, they're too pretty. The fact that I can't pronounce them, I just still had to swatch them. Okay, next shade is Outrimmer. So freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, and this one is so soft, like out of this world soft. I cannot believe how good these eyeshadows are. They're literally unlike anything I've ever saw. I'm obsessed. Okay, next one, Rome. Beautiful shade. It looks like a silvery shade. Yes, very silvery. That one didn't show up very good. I mean, it's okay, but it's not crazy pigmented like the other ones. We have Sultan, beautiful purple, like a lavender purple. There is that one. And there's that one swatch. I cannot get over how just beautiful and pigmented. And this one is called China Blue. Beautiful navy blue. And so crazy that I got this shade because I have a bride coming up that wants a navy smoky eye. And I was thinking, I really don't have that many navies in my collection. I cannot get over these. Look, just look how beautiful. I mean, they're very pigmented. Next shade's Coconut Grove. And the thing I like about these two is they do pop out of these little cases if you want to like put them in a Z palette, which is probably what I'll do, just so that way I can see them all side by side and they're not like, you know, where I have to open up each individual case. Hellcat is the next one. It's a really pretty green. I love it. I'm making my way down my whole arm now. Hellcat. Next one we have is Bengali. It's a really pretty brown. There is that. I can just not believe that my arm looks like this. Like, it's just so freaking pigmented. Okay. Last shade that they sent over is Isla Bonita. And this one came like a little bit cracked. It's very soft, so I can see why. And that one's more like glittery. So there are all those shadows from Nars. I'm not sure exactly how much these retail for, but all I can tell you is they are absolutely gorgeous. I would definitely 100% recommend checking them out. Next package that we have came from It Cosmetics, and you guys, this is so freaking cute. Brace yourself. So it says, Love Beauty Fully. Love is the foundation brush. It's so much more than just a brush. It's a limited edition, luxury crafted, and supports a good cause. For every Love Beauty Fully love is the foundation brush purchased. It Cosmetics will donate one to the Look Good, Feel Better program to help women face the appearance-related side effects of cancer with confidence. So they sent over this cute little bag that it came in. We know how obsessed I am with stuff like this. And honestly, one, it's for a really great cause. I might even buy some for a giveaway because this brush is so cute. Immediately, like, I had saw someone else get it in PR and I was freaking out because I thought it was so adorable. So it is a heart-shaped brush. If I can get it out of the package. Okay. Well, why can't I get it out of the package? There it comes. Okay, so here's what this looks like. Is this not the prettiest thing y'all have ever laid your eyes on? It has like little hearts. They're like little confetti hearts. And then it's a heart-shaped brush. Look how beautiful that is. Obviously, I don't know if this is available yet, but if it is, I'll leave it linked down below. And thank you so much to It Cosmetics for this package. I cannot wait to use it and love this cute little bag too. Okay, next package we have came from Glow Recipe. And you guys, I should have mentioned this in the video. I know I'm probably going to get so many comments about it, but I finally did a different nail look. Let's see if you guys can see. It's like sparkly for Disney. It has literally been almost 4 years since I got my nails done with a color. Yep, I'm all about that pink and white life. And I don't ever explain the reason why, but it is so hard for me to get my nails done. Like, I work so freaking much that I have to schedule myself out of work. Normally, I am running out the door and I am late to my nail appointments because, you know, girl just likes to work. And with pink and white nails, I can actually let them grow out. Like, I normally don't go, but every 4 weeks. So that's why I do that, just in case y'all are wondering. So Glow Recipe Ooh, so it says Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Here's what it looks like. It says every skincare routine starts with a cleansed, healthy canvas. In Korea, daughters and sons are integrated at an early age to wash their face and hands as soon as they come home from school. The new and improved Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser is reformulated with more coconut oil to break down even the most stay-put makeup, while gentle exfoliating AHAs help remove makeup from pores while unglugging dead skin cells all in one step. So I am very excited about this, and I hope that it smells like blueberries. So here's the package it came in. And y'all, I have been breaking out. I think it's because I haven't been doing my skincare as much, and I've just been so stressed lately. I want to open this. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it smells just like blueberries. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. It's even better whenever something smells just like your favorite, like one of your favorite scents. And this is a really cute packaging. It's very simple, but I really like it. I love the lavender. And I love the fact that Glow Recipe products are like, I know they have a watermelon mask, just like fruity smells I absolutely love. So thank you so much to Glow Recipe for that package. Next package came from Stillazzi. And ooh, okay. Oh shoot, I see 2 palettes. Okay, so the first one is called Stellar Eyeshadow Palette. And it came with a little card. Let's see here. Okay, it has the pricing on it. So you have Stellar, which looks more light toned. This one looks more warm toned. They retail for $39. Let's swatch these. I'm so excited we have so much stuff to swatch. These are pretty big eyeshadow palettes. Yes. Okay, so the first one is a very cool tone palette, and here's what these shades look like. I'm not going to swatch this one, but I am going to swatch the warm tone one. I don't know if I'll get as much use out of this because I'm not really super cool toned. I think I will try it out though in a first impressions video, but I want to take some photos of this, so we won't swatch this one. And then the other one is the Spellbound. Oh, yes, honey. Okay, so here's what this one looks like. You guys, I've been using the Stila blushes, like the little blush palettes, nonstop. They are so good. Oh, I'm excited about this. I'm already swatching into this, and I can already tell it's gonna be good. So it's that kind of formula where it's like a little bit of a thicker eyeshadow formula. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, especially the shimmers, like they're just thick, I guess is what you can say, like a thick shimmer. I don't know how else to put it, but I don't mind shadows like that. It's like not powdery, like it just kind of, I don't know. Okay, so here is a swatch of the first row. So pretty. Then the second row is very warm tone. Look at those shades. This palette is just gorgeous. It honestly would be a very good travel palette because all the different options that it has. Like, I might even put this in my suitcase to pack with me to travel with. And then here's another navy shadow. Yes, for companies sending over navy shadows. I did not know what I was gonna do. So there is the first 2 rows. And let's swatch the last row. Ooh, that one shade's like a duochrome shade. Those colors didn't swatch as good. I don't know if it's because I'm like going on up and it's in my arm hair. Let's swatch these on the side. So overall, especially $39, this is a really good palette. Let's see how much product it has in it. It is total net weight of 28.8 grams. Each shade, I guess, is an ounce. Is that right? Mattes feel very similar to the formula on the blushes, and I absolutely love those. So I cannot wait to give this palette a try on the eyes. And I will have a video up this Friday, I think it is, called First Impressions Friday. What I want to start doing, and I've talked about this many, many, many times, is, you know, following up on all the stuff that I haul for you. And so First Impressions Friday will be like full face tutorials on Friday, or like just reviewing a palette or a new launch on Friday. I really want to dedicate that to new releases / reviews for Fridays. And I think First Impressions Friday sounds good. Mail Haul Monday, First Impressions Fridays. Let me know if you like it down below. Next package we have came from Origins. And let's see what they sent over. Ooh, so it says Double Duty Hydration. And it says wake up and energize skin, smooth skin while you sleep. So they sent over 2 different products. The first one we have is a Night Amends Oil-Free Resurfacing Cream with fruit-derived AHAs. And then we have the Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, which I'm pretty sure I have used this before, and it smells amazing. And then they also sent over these cute little things. So These are sleep and energy supplements, and it says candy coated pieces. Ooh, they're both chocolate. I'm gonna have to put these in my purse. I'm excited about these, and I'm very excited about the skincare too. So thank you so much to Origins for that package. All right, next thing we have came from Pout Beauty. Oh, it says twinkle in every occasion. Oh, so they sent over this eyeshadow palette right here. So this has some glitter shadows on it, and I'm very excited to try these. Let's see. So it says twinkle texture. So here's what the palette looks like. And it has like a plastic wrap on it. Okay, there it goes. So yeah, there it is right there. Let me take the front off or open it. Okay, so there it is right there. Super pretty. I'm hoping that these glitters impress me the way I'm thinking they're going to. Yes, Pout Beauty. Oh my goodness. This is stunning. Look how glittery these are. I'm like, where is my phone? Oh, I was hoping they were going to swatch as good as they looked on the fingers. You know, I'm dragging these swatches across like kind of far, but they're still very pretty. And especially with a brush and a Fix Plus or like a glitter glue or whatever, these are going to look awesome. And then let me swatch the other shades. I have so much glitter everywhere. I don't feel like these all like matte shades go with this palette. I mean, I wish they would have, well, just kidding. Now I see what they did there. They kind of, oh, I love this now. They kind of like make them match. You see what I'm saying? So like you have like the cranberry, purple, purple, green, green. Or you know what I mean. I've like lost my train of thought. And I have swatch stuff like all over my hands. I need to get a new wipe. But yeah, there's what that looks like. And then very last thing came from Buxom. And they sent over these new pillow pouts. Okay, so I'm going to swatch this just so you guys can see. I'm not sure where the camera cut me off, but these are the new Buxom Pillow Pout lipsticks, and it is a creamy plumping lip powder. So yeah, here is what it looks like. It just basically has like a little sponge on the end of it, and that is what contains the lipstick. And these are gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. And they're very, very creamy. And so, I mean, you can kind of like blend this out to give yourself like a pout. And just as you can see, I'm trying to like roll it back in and then pull it out. As soon as you stick it back in, you're good to go with another round for your lips. Now, I will say I have used this once, so you do have to like go back in and apply just a little bit more if you like a thicker like pout lipstick, but overall it is very comfortable. It is a very creamy, even though it's like a powder, and I really enjoyed it. So you guys, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.